Hey everyone, I'm from Natural Water Solutions. Through the online knowledgeable platform, I want to discuss about how to do the replacement of RO membrane when the time comes. There are some proper procedures which needs to be followed. The first procedure is turn off the water supply to the RO system. Place the system where the membrane housing is easily accessible. Then remove the black tubing from the membrane feed, pushing fitting by depressing the collar on fitting with your thumb and pulling the tubing from the push fitting. Remove the blue and yellow tubings in the same manner. The second one is while the pushing fitting collar is depressed, pull the tubing straight out the push fitting. Once the tubing is removed, release the collar. The third step is lift the membrane housing from the retention clips. Unscrew the membrane housing lid. This may require two people or use a strap wrench. Use a pair of pliers to grab the membrane stem and pull the membrane from the housing. Insert a new membrane into the housing with the double O-ring, and first the tube must fit into the recess at the bottom of the membrane housing. When the membrane is aligned with the hole, firmly push the membrane into the hole until it bottoms out. Once the black housing cap O-ring on the housing, carefully screw the lid back onto the base. Reconnect the black tubing to the membrane feed push fitting by pushing the tube straight into the fitting. Now turn on the system water supply and allow the system to flush for several minutes to remove the loose particles. This is the guide which everyone needs to be follow up. After following all the procedures, if you are replacing your current membrane with a different size, you will need to remove your old flow restrictor and replace it with a new one. Then follow all the adjustment procedure for the new restrictor as I described earlier. The RO membrane plays an important role in the whole system. Therefore, it is very critical to replace the system procedure wise. Therefore, it is always prescribed that once you want to replace a RO membrane, always have a technical guide. If you want to have a technical guide, feel free to call the Natural Water Solutions where the technicians can visit your place and help you in replacing all the RO membrane, and even they can provide you the best services along with that which is necessary. In the end, I would like to say a replacement of a RO membrane at the correct time is the main and important thing that one should do. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. Thank you so much.